Hey there. So I bought this random little magnetic charging cable. Well, it's not really a cable. You can just really see the USB-A adapter there. So you can put it in two sides. It's got the I bought the USB-C version, and see how that disconnects? That's just magnetic, and it also has an angle adjustment here. So the reason I bought this is I just wanted something to keep in my pocket or my bag, just if I wanted to charge something quickly. My phone with my laptop, for a good example. Just so I don't have to lug around the cable, and it's really just for emergency, so this is really small. And the good thing about that, you put in your laptop, and you can angle a little bit as well. Just in one way though. So your usage may vary, you may even put it in a power bank. So see, you can twist that as well. Well, it's magnet, so let's take a closer look at it. I think that's a bit of metal there. USB-C in there. It's the connection element there. And let's give it a test try. Okay, so I tried it with two power banks. It wasn't working, but I tried it into my computer's USB, and it's working there actually. Wait for that to turn on. Maybe not. I actually tested it on one of these other ports, so let's try that out. And there we go. See how that's charging? Let's take it off. Let's put it back on. And it's charging. So it's a bit finicky, not 100%. Let's try another port. And not quite working. Twist it around. There we go. Yeah, so this can give you an indication of the quality of it. Not reliable, but it was a cheap little thing I bought. I'll probably play around with it a bit more. And if I bother to, I'll probably do an update video. So yeah.